Hi guys, welcome back to Exfoliate. Excited for learning. Today we're going to learn square calculator with Shiva. 1 second. Yeah. Now let's go to specific tasks to complete the project. First one is create the following user interface. So we need to create the following user interface. Second one is the text input area must be where the user enters the length of the side of the square form. Once the user enters the length and hits the calculate button, the app should display the area and the perimeter of its respective labels as seen above. So when you press the calculate button, it should display its area and perimeter. We need to code it like that. The fourth one is here are the formula of calculating the area as a area and a perimeter of a square. So they gave us the formula without if anybody is weak at maths, but it's okay. It doesn't really matter. So the first formula is area of a square equals to length of a side times length of a side. Perimeter equals to 4 times the length of a side. So 4 multiplied by length of the side we need to code. Okay, now let's go to our project. First, to do the text input area, you need to place it. You need to go to design. Okay, design. And you can see the text input. Keep this. And then next, to define what is this purpose of this text input, I'm keeping the label over here. Okay, text is enter the length. Okay, now let's go to, now I'm going to code where the label, where the output should come, because if you give the input, the output should come from somewhere, isn't it? So I'm just keeping like some blocks, this and of course, even we need to keep a calculate button, because how should the computer know when to calculate it? That's why I'm going to keep the calculate button over here in the button. They said to keep a calculate, they said to name it as calculate. That's why I'm Control-C and Control-V, because I'm actually not that good at spellings. But if you're good, then you can do it on yourself. And Control-C and Control-V means copy and paste. Okay? So now let's go to ours. Text. You need to backspace it and write. Enter. Actually, let's see the area. Okay. And then we need to backspace it, because it should the output of the area should come over here. And this one I'll backspace this and write. See the, what should we see? We should see the perimeter. Again, I'm going to Control-C and Control-V it. That means copy and paste. Control-C means copy, Control-V means paste. Just as information. Perimeter. Now I'm going to backspace this. Now let's go to coding. Let's code our thing. So for doing the formula of this, you need to first do on event. Okay, on event block. Think we need to go in show blocks, and you need to keep it set text. So first you need to keep it, 1 second, you need to keep it text input 1. The text it should come out is math. Let's go to math first. Multiply this. Now you need to go to get number times get number, and you should get the number. Actually this should be not set text, 3. For text input 1. Text input 1. Now let's check it first. First, even we need to change this as button 1 and click function. You can name it as event. Now let's run it. See, I'm gonna keep 5. Calculate 25. See, if the 5 is the length, the area will be 25. Okay, because just we code about the area. Let's code the perimeter now. We said again you need to keep another block as on event. Button 1. Click function event, and now you need to do the same thing. Set text on label, but this time label 5, because over here you need to get it, and this is the label 5. You want to see, this is label 5. See, it's written label 5. That's why I'm going to keep it on label 5, and the text is, you need to go in math, this, and because this is multiplication symbol, that's why I'm going to do 4, because perimeter is 4 times the get number from the text input. 1 second. Yes. Now text input 1. Now let's see, will it work or no? Because we can correct it. 5. Let's press the calculate button. 20 and 25. Because 5 times 4 is 20 and 5 times 5 is 25. So this is how is the square calculator. Now you may think, if 5, let's make another number 100, because it will be hard to get in mind. To even make it more precise, let's see, go on Google. 100, if 100 is the length, area. Wait, not square kilometer, square meter to, well, actually they are not, I think, but it's, let's go in Calci actually. Instead of that, it's in Google, because Google may not understand. Calculator app, just to prove it that it is working. See, the calculator app came. What we did, 100 times 100, because we click text input times text input. That's why. Now let's see, and 10,000. What's written over here? 10,000. So it's working. Now let's see the perimeter. Let's cancel everything. Actually, I think it's not getting cancelled. 100 times 4 is equals to 400. As you can see over here, it's 400. So what we did is perfectly correct. So now this is everything what you need to do, and we completed all the tasks and everything. So if you have any doubts about this, ask me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to again comment if you have any doubts, okay, any doubts.